Get paid to watch videos? Yes, in this video I'll show you how to get paid while watching YouTube videos. I mean, we all love watching videos. I always want to do what I love, and that habit took me to where I am today. I traveled the world while making money from the internet. Last month I was in Bangkok, Thailand with my family, and now I'm in Melbourne, Australia. And next month I plan to go to Sri Lanka, which is my home country, to visit my parents. So let me down in the comment section where would you like to travel as soon as you start making money online. And today what I'm going to show you is a new method to earn free PayPal money by watching YouTube videos in 2021. You can do this from wherever you are in the world. That means this strategy works worldwide. So this is a complete step-by tutorial on how to set up this amazing passive income stream without investing any money. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of this 10-minute video, as I'll be giving you some simple tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. Imagine guys pressing a button and watching a brief video to make $4 every 60 seconds. This method has already paid $4.5 million in total. You'll just need a smartphone, laptop or a computer to get started. Well, I hope all of you have access to the internet as well. And if you appreciate me researching for these kind of strategies and create and upload these videos daily, support my channel by liking this video. Leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's start watching YouTube videos to earn money. So come over to youtube.com and search for motivational videos. And as you can see, this video has got 74 million views, and this has got 59 million views, 45 million views, 45 million views, 43 million views, 39 million views. So many people are interested about motivational videos, guys. When I started this video, I showed the places I have been in the last couple of months, right? I wasn't blowing my own trumpet, guys. I really wanted to motivate you guys to make money online and enjoy your life with your family. And moving on to the next step, you can choose 3 of the motivational videos you like, and let's choose these 3 and open up those in new tabs and watch each of them and get an idea about these videos, guys. As this one says, no excuses, best motivational video. It has got over 45 million views. And this one over here, it's a 5-minute video, unbroken, a motivational video. And also this one is a 10-minute video. Watch this every day and change your life. Denzel Washington motivational speech 2021. Get an idea. And as the next step, you should go over to OKE.io, and here you can earn free PayPal money basically when people click on your links every single time. Once again guys, this is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money, no credit cards, no affiliate marketing, and you don't have to create any content. You can start this as a complete beginner. And the concept here is really simple. You just have to create a free account, shorten some links. Well, I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. And finally, every single time when people click on that link, you are gonna get paid. And also when you scroll up and see the payout rates, and the minimum payout is $5. They pay daily. The payment methods are Bitcoin, PayPal and Skrill. And if the clicks are coming from Australia, you get $5. From US, you get 4.1, UK $4, Denmark 4, Germany 4, Canada $3.5, Norway $3, and so on and so forth. So in this case, they are not referring to the country you live in, they are referring to the countries where the clicks are coming from. So I'll show you exactly how you can get people from these top tier countries to click on your shortened link. So you can go to the first video you watched, press this share button over here, and you can copy this link by clicking copy. And what you have to do is to come over to OK.io to shorten this link. So come over to OK.io, but before that you should create a free account, guys. So go over here and sign up for free. You'll get this simple membership form. Give a username followed by your email, password, and tick here to confirm that you're not a robot. And you can read the terms of service and the privacy policy by going over to these links. and let's submit. And then you have to log in again and sign in, and here this is your dashboard. You can see the total views, total earnings, and referral earnings as well. That's a bonus tip, guys. You can refer your friends or family to this website and get paid when they earn money. OK.io referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 3% of their earnings for life. That's not much, but you don't have to do anything. Just refer your friends. When they earn money, you'll get a 3% of that. And if you come down, you can see the number of views, link earnings, daily CPM. And as this is a brand new account which I created just now, you don't find any views or anything. So go over to here and paste the URL you copied and click shorten. And now here you got the shortened link. Select that and copy that link. And now we have shortened the link. Now the question, how am I gonna get people to click on this link? So first you have to go over to docs.google.com and start a new blank document. And here you have to write something about motivation, write a small article, and at the end of that article give a call to action like watch the free video here, and paste the link you shortened and give 3 more call to actions like this. Copy this, paste it, and make it the second free video and the third free video. And you can go over to the other 2 videos, do the same thing, copy the link, come over to your dashboard, again paste the link and shorten, grab your shortened link, copy that, paste it over here, and do the same thing for the third video as well. Now the reason we are using 3 shortened links is to maximize our earnings, as there's a huge potential that the people who are coming over to this page will be clicking on all 3 of these links. And make sure you do not give more than 3 links, as the people will think this is some kind of a spam, or you'll end up getting 0 clicks, guys. And remember to write the article over here. First write a brief article, and at the end of the article only you have to give the call to actions with your shortened links. And if you really want me to give you a template and the article that I'm using to get clicks, please comment your email address down below so I can mail you the exact template, and you can paste your shortened links there and share the article on the platform I'm gonna reveal you right now. And guys, if you're really getting some value out of this video, like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button with notifications on. And now you can go over to slideshare.net. So basically in this platform people post different documents, different slides to share different information with other people. And if you go over to similarweb.com and analyze slideshare.net, you can see there are 138.87 million total visits per month, guys. It's not 138,000, it's 138 million total visits per month. So there's a huge potential that many of these will click on your link. So how to do that? You can go over to slideshare.net again, sign up for a free account. You can just sign up via LinkedIn, or else give your details and sign up. Just complete a simple form. Now you have to upload your document, but before that go over to docs.google.com and go to file and download this as a PDF document. And you can download this, and again come over to SlideShare, go over here and upload the PDF document you downloaded. Here you can select the file you downloaded and upload it. So most of the people who visit SlideShare will read your document, get some value, watch the videos through your links, and you'll get paid in passive income. And also you can use Quora.com, which is one of the world's biggest forums, to get free traffic to your shortened link, guys. And that's a bonus tip. But make sure you do not spam Quora.com by giving your link again and again. You have to just copy the article and paste it on Quora. You can search the keyword motivational videos at Quora and copy the article with the links and paste it over there, and you'll also get loads of traffic from there, guys. So comment where will you be traveling after making money online, and your email address if you want my free template. And also if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And that's it for today. Share with your mates, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.